The two types of farming were the primitive subsistence farming and commercial farming. So now I am going to read the primitive subsistence farming and I will explain you what that farming is. This is basically an old form of farming, but it is still practiced in some parts of India. Like I was talking about the old types of farming techniques. So this is that old type of farming techniques where the whole family is involved in their own agricultural lands. They only grow the crops, they follow the old methods, they dig the soil like the old way, they don't have any machines, and the whole family is involved in their own farm. Whatever they produce, they use it for their own family, and whatever little is left, they go and sell it in the local markets. Okay, so it is not a commercial based agricultural activity. It is just a simple family based kind of agricultural activity, जहाँ पर घर के सारे लोग अपने खेत पर काम करते हैं और अपने family members ही involve होते हैं. They don't use any kind of modern equipments. They don't have any kind of knowledge of the good seeds and the fertilizers. So they are still following the old primitive system of agriculture. Okay, so this is what your subsistence, your primitive subsistence farming is. Okay, I'll just read it so you understand better. It is practiced on a small patch of land with primitive tools. Primitive tools means all the outdated, all the old tools. Okay, and family or community. As I said, it is involving only the family or it is involving the community. It is not done on a large scale but on a very small scale. This type of farming depends upon fertility of the soil. Put number 1, fertility of the soil. Number 2, monsoon and other environmental conditions. Because they don't know any new techniques of farming, so automatically they have to depend on the monsoons. Monsoons means the rainfall. Okay, so they have to depend on the monsoon. They have to see to the fertility of the soil, and they have to see to the environmental conditions, and what kind of conditions will be suitable for growing of a particular kind of crop. Okay, so as they don't have any knowledge, so they have to depend on all these factors. So these factors, they become very, very important for all the farmers, all the family people who are involved in this primitive subsistence farming. It is a form of slash and burn agriculture. Now slash and burn agriculture is that they clear a patch of land, and once the land is cleared, they nicely clean that land. And how do they burn? They put the fire, and they burn that patch of land. So it becomes a complete barren land. Once the land is all barren, they make it fertile by adding some manures. They don't know about the fertilizers. Okay, remember that. So they use the manures which they have, and they make the soil little more fertile for growing the crops. Okay, once the crops are ready, what they do? They harvest that crop, and again they go to another patch of land and they again burn. They burn that, they clear that land, and then they grow another food crop or a cash crop on that particular piece of land. So this is what you call as slash and burn agriculture. वो एक छोटी सी जगह लेते हैं, उसमें आग लगाते हैं, उस पूरे लैंड को पूरा खाली कर देते हैं, जला देते हैं, उसमें जितने भी पेड़ पौधे होते हैं उसको जला देते हैं, वो पूरा एक पैच ऑफ लैंड खाली हो जाता है. ठीक है, बैरन लैंड हो जाता है. फिर उसको वो फर्टाइल करते हैं और उसके ऊपर वो अपने पेड़ पौधे उगाते हैं. So this process, it goes on one after the other till the time they don't find any more place to do this kind of a farming, what you call a slash and burn agriculture. Farmers clear a patch of land for farming and grow food crops for their families. When the soil fertility decreases, the farmers shift and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. This is what I explained you just now. So this is what you call as slash and burn agriculture. So basic steps about your primitive subsistence farming, that it is a family based farming. You have the family working on the farm, you have the community working on the farm. It is not a large scale activity of the agriculture sector, but they just grow for their own family and they survive in that kind of crops which they grow. They don't use any kind of modern techniques in the equipments, they don't know about fertilizers, they don't get good seeds, so they are completely unaware of the modern technology. So they follow the old primitive system, they follow and they have the old equipments also even when they are doing the agricultural activity. They don't have any kind of modern equipments also. So old equipments they use, old method of farming, the whole family or the community is involved in it for growing the food crops. They clear a patch of land and they grow crops over there. Once the fertility of that place decreases, they go and find another patch of land and to grow another set of crops for them. So it is basically they follow the slash and burn agricultural activity, and on this they survive, and whatever little is left with them they go and they sell in the local market. So it is not at all a economic based activity, it is not a commercial farming, but it is only a farming which is based on the family agricultural units.